Mahindra & Mahindra launched the new generation Thar on the 2nd of October 2020, and now the company says that it has already received over 9,000 bookings for the SUV. The company had opened bookings for the car on the 2nd of October itself and has managed to garner the impressive number of bookings in just 3 days. The new Thar demo vehicles are available in 18 cities as of now, while the pan-India availability will happen only after October 15th. Mahindra also said that the all-new Thar has received over 36,000 inquiries and more than 3.3 lakh website visitors. The all-new Thar is offered in petrol and diesel engine options, and prices for the off-roader start from 9,80,000 rupees onwards. The MG Gloster SUV will be launched in India on the 8th of October 2020, the automaker has confirmed. The Gloster is a full-size SUV and is laden with technology and features. It will be India's first Level 1 autonomous car with Advanced Driver Assistance Systems or ADAS. The Gloster is big, bold and has solid presence, measuring over 5 meters in length. The Gloster will be sold in 4 variants: Super, Sharp, Smart and Savvy. The base Super variant will be offered only as a 7-seater. The Smart and Savvy variants will be offered only as 6-seaters. The SUV will come with connected car technology, while power will come from the 2-liter twin-turbo diesel engine that develops 215 brake horsepower and 480 Nm of peak torque. Prices are expected to be around 40 lakh rupees ex-showroom. The Maruti Suzuki Vitara Brezza has become the fastest subcompact SUV to reach the 5.5 lakh sales milestone in India. The popular offering was first launched in 2016 and has managed to achieve an impressive sales figure in just 4.5 years. The Vitara Brezza has been a runaway success right from the launch and has been well received consistently over the years. The SUV crossed the 1 lakh sales mark in 11 months since its launch, while the 2 lakh mark was achieved in October 2017. The SUV hit the 3 lakh sales milestone in July 2018, while the 4 lakh sales mark arrived just 7 months later. The Vitara Brezza cruised to 5 lakh sales units in December last year, and it has taken 8 months for the next 50,000 units. The Vitara Brezza was a diesel-only model until February this year and was updated with a 1.5-litre petrol engine when the facelift arrived.
Everything that's hot, new, exciting and relevant for you from the automobile world is on our Car and Bike channel. Don't forget to subscribe.